Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. Selegu went to Mangwabe's homestead and they had a conversation. Musa said he is planning to have a ceremony for appreciation toward the ancestors to keep him alive while he was sick, and thank everyone that had supported him, and also thanked Umacele for allowing him to take polygamy, because if it was not for Umacele, otherwise they would have not been there. So Mangwabe asked Musa, "Does this ceremony for Macele?" Musa said, "No, I want to thank everyone." She was very surprised because two other wives, she's the one that Musa accused her for doing bad things. Then Musa said, "Mangwabe, nobody will correct her. Only the ancestors will show her a right way." So she remembered the day was a ceremony of Zenande for cleansing her, since there were rumors that said Zenande was not Musa's child. Zenande is Mangwabe's youngest daughter. Few years ago, they went to the beach as Mselegu's family. Pumelelo played with Zenande. Out of the blue, Pumelelo said, "Your mother needs to explain your whereabouts because nobody in this family had a head like yours." Then Mangwabe said, "Mpumelelo was young on that time. That means Mpumelelo was probably repeat what he had. Now Mpumelelo had a child with Tirelo who had a head like Zenande." So Mangwabe was expecting Mpumelelo to apologize, and Mpumelelo, he never apologized. Guys, thanks for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.